Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to save contact to Google account on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, knowing how to save contacts to your Google account provides convenience, security, and accessibility, ensuring that your contact information is always available and up to date across all your devices. So let's go to the tutorial. First, you have to go to the dialing application on your device. Well, after that, you can type the phone number you want to save to your Google account. After finishing, and then click plus icon at the top. So, select create new contact. Well, and to save the phone number to your Google account, you can click the down arrow at the left corner, then select your Google account for saving the phone number. Well, after that, enter the name here, and then click save. Okay, that's the tutorial on how to save contact to Google account on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.